guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing this quick and easy look. I saw Kylie post this look on Instagram and she posted a tutorial here on YouTube, and I was really inspired by like the bright inner corner. I know she didn't invent this, but she's like the person that I saw do it, and I was like, I like that and I want to try it. So if you're interested, keep on watching and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also make sure you hit that bell while you're at it. That way you never miss another upload from me. And now we're going to get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. Now I'm going to use my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I am in the shade Cappuccino. And this is a really full coverage foundation, and I love it. I love it, y'all. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. And I'm just blending that out with a Real Technique sponge. Next, we're going to be doing some highlighting and concealing, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C13. Next, we're going to set everything with the Sacha Buttercup. I just went blank. The Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Next, I'm just priming my eyelids with that same concealer that I used. And then I'm just going to rub it in with my fingers. And we're going to get straight into the eyeshadow. Which, by the way, this eyeshadow is going to be like super simple. There's like nothing really to it. So I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. I forgot the name of it. I'll have it linked below. And I'm just using this like very neutral shade, and I'm just putting it in my crease. I'm going to deepen it up, just the outer part of my eye, just to add a little bit of dimension. And like this is, I mean, y'all, this eyeshadow is super simple. Like, and I wanted it to be really like kind of like almost like nothing was there, because we're gonna make the inner corner the star of the show. Now we're gonna hop into bronzer, and I'm using the Anastasia Mahogany bronzer. I like to go back and pat everything in just so that way everything looks skin-like. Now I'm hopping into blush. This is a Kylie blush. I'll have the name of it linked down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight with this Master Chrome highlighter. This is by Maybelline, and I'm just using a fan brush. And now I'm using this more tapered brush to get the other areas of my face. Okay, so now hopping back into eyeshadow, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going in with this green shade and I'm putting it right in my inner corner. And I'm just taking my time and I'm basically just building that color up. Next, I'm going into this new NYX palette. They have a whole like collection around this theme. I forgot what it's called, but I'll have it linked down below. And I'm using that like bright green shade just to give it a little bit of shimmer and just pop even more. Next, I'm going to do my lashes off camera. These are from Kiss. I think they're Kiss lashes. And I put my wig on, obviously. So now I'm using the Loreal Telescopic mascara. And I'm just amping up my lashes and also blending my real lashes into the falsies. I'm going to line my lips with, I think this is a lip liner from Rimmel. I'll have the name linked down below. I honestly can't remember any of the names of anything, of course. So I'm just lining my lips. And then I'm using this Kylie lip gloss. It's either literally or like, I'm really not sure. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!